Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious pasta sauce. So we have our pan here and I'm just going to cover the base with some olive oil. I've got it on number 7 and we'll wait for that to heat up. Okay then, so once the oil is hottish, we'll add in the red pepper, green pepper and the onion. And also the garlic. And we'll gently fry this off until it's all nice and soft. Okay, so once this is nice and soft, what I'll do is sprinkle in a stock cube. This is a meat one. You can use the vegetable one or the chicken one. So sprinkle it in there as best as you can. And what I'll also do now is add the bay leaves and the wine. And we'll give it a mix. And we'll cover it up and leave it there for 5 minutes until the alcohol evaporates. So after 5 minutes the alcohol should have evaporated. So what we'll do is add in the chopped tomato. I will also add 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of sugar so that the acidity from the tomatoes goes away. And I'll also add some parsley. So we'll give this a mix. And we'll turn it on to its highest and bring it to a boil. Right, so once this starts to boil, what we'll do is turn it down to number 5, so that's medium heat. We'll cover it up and leave it there for 15 minutes. Well, the 15 minutes are up. So let's have a look at this. It smells really good. And it's got a nice consistency too. So let's have a taste check to see if it's salt enough and if the acidity has gone away. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So let's get these bay leaves out. There should be another one here somewhere. There it is. We'll turn the heat off and just let it there to cool down. And once it's cooled down, it's about warmish. Here are the jars that I usually save for my chickpeas and beans. and lentils, they have been properly cleaned out, and once that is warm to cold, I'll fill them up. And also, I forgot to mention, as you can see, there is olive oil on the sides or on top. That is good because once the sauce is inside the jar, the olive oil will rise to the top and help to preserve it longer. So now we'll just fill the jars up. Well, thank you for watching today's shortish recipe video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I look forward to sharing my next recipe with you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.